Welcome WBP stars. I'm Jeremy from Ikoyi St. James's Market. I'm the head chef. I'm going to show you our honey butter steamed pumpkin. So we take the pumpkins and we peel them very carefully, and then we steam them in emulsified butter with some wild honey. And then we make a sauce, which is a really simple sauce. It's made with caramelized chanterelle mushrooms, roasted ground nuts, and really intense mushroom stock. So most of our dishes are pretty simple. We only have a couple of things on the plate because we like the guests to focus on the intensity of the flavors without being too confused. So we serve the pumpkin with the chanterelle and groundnut sauce and some really delicious kumquat skins. There's no reason for them being there other than the fact that they are delicious and acidic and give a really nice kind of citrus crunch to the sauce and the pumpkin. And then we finish it with some smoked oil, which is really tasty. Yeah, that's the dish. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you come to the restaurant.